Compact, affordable, and versatile. Today, we're talking about a lens that might just earn a permanent spot in your everyday carry kit. What's up, everyone? It's Infante, a portrait photographer based in South Texas and Viltrox ambassador. And today, we're diving into the Viltrox f1.7 Air Series APS-C lens for Sony, Fuji, and Nikon mirrorless cameras. This APS-C lens is a lightweight and versatile lens that packs a punch without weighing you down. Let's dive in and see why this might be your perfect everyday carry lens. Let's cover todo el pedo. When it comes to building your everyday carry kit, finding the perfect lens is key. You want something lightweight, versatile, and affordable, and that's exactly why the Viltrox 35mm f1.7 Air deserves a spot in your bag. This lens weighs in at just 180 grams and is compact enough to throw in your bag or carry on your camera all day long without ever feeling weighing you down. Whether you're out shooting street photography, capturing portraits, or documenting your day-to-day life, the Viltrox 35mm f1.7 makes it easy to carry your gear without compromise. This lens has been an absolute joy to use. I've captured some beautiful shots of my fiance's garden right in our backyard. It's perfect for highlighting the vibrant flowers and small details. Plus, it's been amazing for documenting those everyday moments with my dogs, whether they're lounging in the sun or running around. This lens makes even the simplest scenes feel special. This lens delivers great image quality without breaking the bank, making it a great choice for budget-conscious photographers. At $179, the Viltrox 35mm gives you sharpness, bokeh separation, and excellent low-light performance for a fraction of the cost of higher-end primes. So who's the ideal audience for the Viltrox 35mm? First, it's perfect for hobbyists looking for an affordable prime lens that doesn't skimp on quality. If you're just starting out or experimenting with prime lenses, this is a great entry point. It's also a fantastic choice for photographers who need a portable, all-purpose lens. Whether you're shooting street photography, portraits, or everyday scenes, the lightweight design makes it easy to carry around anywhere. And for creatives who love exploring shallow depth of field without spending a fortune, the f1.7 aperture delivers beautiful bokeh and subject isolation, giving your shots that professional look without breaking the bank. If you want to see the results firsthand, I've got you covered. I've included some raw files in the description for all you pixel peepers out there. Go ahead, download them, zoom in, and see if this lens lives up to your standards for portrait photography, street photography, or everyday shooting. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let's talk about the autofocus performance. The 35mm f1.7 uses a STM focus system for fast, precise, and quiet focusing. This lens supports eye and face detection on compatible cameras, making it a great option for portraits. Whether you're shooting stills or video, the autofocus is reliable and discreet, so you can focus on creating without distractions. One of the reasons this lens is a must-have is its f1.7 aperture. It helps your subject stand out while delivering that smooth background bokeh we all love. In low light conditions, the wide aperture ensures you get clear, bright images without having to bump up your ISO too much. The lightweight material and internal focus mechanisms make it super portable and convenient to use. And with the minimum focus distance of just 0.33 meters, you can get up close and personal with your subject. It's also equipped with a 52mm filter thread, so you can easily add ND filters and UV filters to expand your creative possibilities. This lens, being a 35mm on an APS-C lens, gives you a 53mm equivalent on full-frame cameras. That's a classic focal length that mimics what the human eye sees, making it perfect for natural, everyday photography. Now that we've covered the lens, it's time to take you behind the scenes and show you how it performs in action. Let's dive into a photo shoot and some everyday shooting and see what this lens can really do. So what kind of drew me to this photograph, when I was driving down, I saw those like 3 trees, and when it's foggy, it's kind of a little bit creepy. And so I thought it would provide some interesting abstract shapes and patterns there. So I said, why not? Let me come by and park somewhere safe, of course, because there's a lot of cars coming by, and it's kind of difficult to drive when you're in a foggy day like today. Yeah, so this was actually the main composition that inspired me to come out. I've been waiting for like a foggy day. Like, I'm on Christmas break right now. If y'all didn't know, I'm a full-time teacher. And so I was waiting for a foggy morning, and I was walking my dogs, and I was like, OMG, Today's the perfect day. I gotta come on out. And that's what makes like a lens like this fun to use, because it's forcing me to go out and take more pictures outside of just portraits, right? Because I'm mainly a portrait photographer, but I also enjoyed photography before I focused on portraits, and just getting out and shooting, that's what this lens is perfect for, you know? Travel, of course you can do portraits with it, but it's kind of like an everyday lens that you can enjoy. We're gonna get some shots here right at Park. I'm looking at the wardrobe. We got the blues, and then we got the blues from the bench here. So we're gonna get some kind of nice color combinations right here. What if you're kind of like leaning like over kind of thing? Yeah. And you can like cross your legs, whatever feels natural to you here. And I kind of like a bend. Yes, I was about to say a bend of the foot, kind of like that. So for the next series, what we want to do is, yes, we're in the dirt, but in order to hide that we're just kind of standing in the dirt, I'm going to do a 3/4 shot. I'm also kind of moving around. I started, my first initial idea was like getting this composition here with the browns and the greens, but it just looked a little bit too flat. We don't have any sun, so everything's kind of evenly lit. But by just taking a step to the left, I'm getting the water, but I'm also getting some bright sky over there. So that kind of separates kind of like all the colors and tones. It adds this nice little contrast. So I noticed the step to the left worked out really well. So I'm using one light. I'm using an FJ200. I'm gonna see if I bring in a speed light to add like a rim light, just for that nice little separation. You're gonna probably take a step a little further back, and then we're gonna feather that light like dramatically, yeah, so that way we just get like the edge of it, because I don't want it to like scream like, hey, I'm using an extra speed light. Yeah, I just want it to just add just a little bit of pop. So I'm gonna start at power 4 on this guy. I'm at power 4 on this one. Let's try power 4 over there. Actually, you know what? It would probably make more sense if it's power 3, since it's not modified. 1, 2, 3. And can you fold the glasses like that, and then you kind of have them that way we get a little bit of, there you go, like that. That way we get a little bit of color in there, okay? Continue doing the thing we did with the hand here, but now we're gonna turn towards the camera, okay? And that way you can cross your legs, or you can kind of do your feet like this kind of thing. Let's see what we get there. Good. Good. I'm finding things that would look cool for my portrait work just by walking around, you know? That's one thing I wanna find in 2025, is just more areas to do photo shoots. So I saw this little cool area. We got cool texture here for photos. And then I found like a mural wall over there, which is really, really cool. So I've found even more locations here. Cool little alley here. Here I'm just in downtown Edinburgh, literally just driving around, and look at these cool spots that I'm finding here. Look at this beautiful color and things that we can experiment with. So why is the Viltrox 35mm f1.7 Air such an incredible everyday carry lens? It's lightweight, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're a beginner looking to build your kit, or an experienced photographer seeking a reliable everyday carry lens, this one checks all the boxes. So what's your go-to everyday lens? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more photography tips and gear reviews, and turn on the bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. So now I'm using the, what is this? Oh, loved exploring. A perfect, how ironic. I'm photographing at the area where somebody crashed into me and totaled my car. In the computer, but like the eye autofocus from here is like, it's like pinpoint, but I did update the Fuji X-T5. The eye autofocus right now on this lens, it being only, I think it's $179. It's freaking good. You know, I'm back here doing it behind the scenes, super far away, and it's picking up the eye. I didn't bring my Atomos today to do internal recording today, but I can tell you that it's Eli Infante approved, ladies and gentlemen.
Hiding in the bushes.
Incognito. Eli knows what's up, dude.